In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide drawings in Tradingview. If your charts ever feel cluttered with lines and shapes, or you just want a clean view for a moment, these quick methods will help you switch visibility on and off without deleting anything. Start by opening your charts. Make sure you are looking at the chart where your drawings like trendlines, support and resistance zones or shapes are placed. Everything we do here is reversible, so you can confidently toggle visibility without losing your work. The fastest way to hide every drawing at once is with the eye icon on the left-hand toolbar. Look to the left side of your screen and find the small eye symbol. Click it once, and all drawings instantly disappear from the chart. This doesn't remove them or change your analysis, they're simply hidden from view. Click the same icon again and everything comes right back exactly as it was. This is perfect when you want to declutter the screen for a clean look. Share a chart without annotations or focus purely on price action for a moment. If you click the eye and nothing seems to change, it likely means there aren't any drawings on that chart at the moment. If you want finer control, maybe you only want to hide one line or a single shape, use the object tree. Look to the bottom of the right-hand panel and click the icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines with a small box. That opens a list of everything on your chart, including each drawing, indicator, or position. Scroll through and find the specific item you want to hide. Next to its name, you'll see a small eye icon. Click that eye to hide just that one item. Click it again to reveal it. This targeted approach is great when you are comparing 2 levels, isolating a specific zone, or temporarily removing one element without affecting the rest of your layout. As a helpful visual cue, hidden drawings show up with faded text inside the object tree, so you can quickly spot what's currently invisible. Remember, both methods only change what you see, they don't delete or alter your drawings. Use the left toolbar eye when you need an instant. All drawings toggle, and use the object tree when you want precision control over individual items. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.